Converting between percents, decimals, and fractions. In this unit, we'll be looking at percentages, and we'll be looking at trying to figure out how can we convert percents between decimals and fractions. For part A, we're looking to convert a decimal to a percent. To do so, we're going to multiply the decimal by 100. The decimal will always move 2 places to the right. For example, convert 0.36 to a percent. I'm going to take my 0.36. I'm going to times it by 100, and that's going to give me 36%. Notice that the decimal place moved 2 places to the right. For part B, we're going to write a fraction as a percent. So we're going to convert the fraction so that the denominator is 100. Then the numerator becomes the percentage. So let's write 13 over 50 as a percent. So my fraction starts off as 13 over 50. In order to write it as a percent, I want to write it as a fraction out of 100. In order to do so, I'm going to multiply both the denominator and the numerator by 2, and so my fraction becomes 26 over 100. Finally, I can write that as a percent of 26%. Lastly, in part C, to change a percent to a fraction and then to a decimal, we'll use what the word percent means, per 100. Let's convert 7% to a fraction and then to a decimal. Alright, so let's first start off. We have our fraction, and we'll do that as 7%, which will be 7 over 100. Now that I have it as a fraction, I can convert it to a decimal, and I can write this as 7/100ths, or 0.07.